All right, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment, mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students. Really, it's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from $50 to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at $50 and we'll be scaling back to, a thousand a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this my social media that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off of that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education. Only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course, educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball. So, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. All right, good morning, traders. So yesterday was not a great day. Let's go to the log real quick. So we ended up with a $615 losing day because of QCOM, which is actually a winning trade. I'll show that to you later, but for now we got to trade CVS. Got a super premium in CVS happening right now. So we're going to go ahead and QCOM. I was like, why does that look right? QCOM's a trade right now too. All right, so CVS, tower candle, that's what got us in QCOM yesterday. Another tower candle on QCOM. All right, so here we are with CVS. We got our switch, and what's our risk reward here? 82.91, 82.56, so about 40 cents. I'm going to go to the calculator real quick. Calculator, 40 cents. About 375. I'll go with 500 or 400 shares. Going a little big because it's a premium trade, super premium trade. So we got about a minute and a half for CVS. $500 shares. We're going with 500. All right, we got our 500 loaded in, and then QCOM is a trade as well right now. Let's see what we're gonna do with QCOM. Got a minute left, so QCOM 134.19. Kind of need to go to the bottom of QCOM because that's a big tower candle. I should give CVS more room as well, so probably should go a little lighter on the shares to give it room. So we'll go down to 400. And then QCOM, what are we looking at? QCOM 134.81, 134.37. So we'll just go with 300 shares for QCOM and play it safe for now, and allow me to give it more room. And then if APPS sets up today, that'll be awesome because we'll have some good possibility there. All right, so we got 10 seconds left. APPS is super premium right now, so we'll go big on APPS if it sets up. All right, so QCOM, we got 4, 3, 2, 1, buy and sell. All right, cool. So let's mark these up. Let's put the stops in first, actually. I mean, look at that tower candle right there. If it retraces, we'll buy more. We'll add more to our position. Yes, Miley. Hold on, Miley. Daddy trading. All right, so we got CVS coming down nicely. Nah, I wish I would have went even bigger on CVS. Should have took that 500. Okay, so we're going to put our stop in as soon as this. Let's see what this number is here. All right, we're in the target right now. 82.09. Looking at the spread here. Get below 82.09 on the ask. That'd be nice. Okay, we're below 82.09. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in right now. Buy. Oh. All right. So we ended up out. I didn't want to be out. I was trying to trail this for squeezing more out. But either way, at least we got a green trade, 149. Hopefully QCOM will do the same for us. And APPS looks like it might be setting up for a nice trade here as well. So this could be a good morning. I only got 30 minutes to trade today, so this is good. Man, look at that. I wanted to try to trail this. Oh well. You're always going to leave some on the table or give it back, but I was expecting to not go out just yet. 149 though. It's good. So CVS was a super premium trade. That's why I really wanted to go much bigger on it, but it's all good. Okay, so here we are with APPS. Super premium trade right now to the short side. It's a little extended to the short side though. And we got these massive tower candles looking at potential consolidation inside here. I almost want to just skip this trade. So 66.09 and 64.97. So basically $1 roughly. All right, we're going to go with 300 shares. And we're going to short this in 30 seconds. Come on, QCOM. Get up there. Could add the QCOM right now, actually. Retrace half. Hold on, Miley. So we got a few seconds left here. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to go ahead and buy. Oh, no, it didn't switch. Ugh. Yep, Miley, I jumped in early. Maybe we'll get lucky. You laughing at Daddy? Daddy totally messed up right now. Daddy messed up. All right, so now I could be looking to just bounce out here with some profit. P&L day, $54 already. So I could go ahead and hit, because of the spread, it's probably huge. 65.20, it's actually not bad. All right, so what we're going to do is put my stop in, break even plus a couple bucks since I'm not supposed to be in this trade. And maybe we get lucky and it goes down and we make some money. No, make $3. We're not supposed to be in that trade, so we did that, so we're safe. All right, so QCOM just switched here. I'm going to go ahead and reverse my position. I can't. Why not? What happened here? All right, so we're reversed. All right, good deal. All right, so QCOM are reversed. Took a small loss. We did have our switch here. That's technically speed bumping it. I should have just stayed in this trade. I'm a little bit distracted right now, as you can hear. Oh, this day could turn into a disaster. Yeah, exactly. I should still be in this trade long, not short. Retracing this tower candle is expected before moving forward. So I guess I could just reverse my... I don't know what's up with Thinkorswim right now displaying this madness here, which is not true. All right, so let's do this. So we have 300 shares in. We're in at 134.10. Okay, so it could retrace half or all. So we're going to give it a chance to retrace the other half of this and see what happens here. Keep an eye on APPS. All right, so we got APPS switching now. So, and that's looking a lot healthier. Still looks like we could see some major consolidation based on what these big candles right here. But so APPS, what do we got here? 65, 66, 64.71. So about $1. So we're going 400 shares. So it's pretty big, but it's super premium trade. So I feel pretty confident about it. Only thing that's making me nervous is see how overextended permission is. It's a little bit overextended, but at the same time, if you look at this trade, if we just retrace this candle, it'll be a winner. So we got 1 minute left. This looks like it will confirm and we'll be off to the races. Get my tools set up. QCOM, I'm just looking for a retracement. I'm going to bounce out of QCOM and be done trading it today. And we'll see here. We got 45 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. 5, 4, spreads opening up. That's not great. 3, 2. Okay, so now we're in APPS short. So let's go ahead and mark it up. All right, I got to go get some stuff done before I head out. So I'm going to just let these trades do their thing. I got my stops in. Do not have a stop in on QCOM though. Let's go ahead and put that in. Make a new high for the day. Yeah, I didn't trade QCOM well yesterday, and as a result, ended up with a losing trade when it should have been a winning trade. And this morning, I am not trading it well again, so we may end up with another loser today when it should be probably a winner. And APPS super premium though, that should pull me through and make some nice profit for today. And we already had that other winner, which was nice with CVS. So we should hopefully still have a green day. All right, I'll be back. All right, so here we are with QCOM, getting lucky in QCOM, and then we're getting, as expected, for APPS. So QCOM, I'm going to go ahead and close out this, and I'm going to trail the stop because I do need to get out of here, and I don't want to have to manage this trade, 78, 79. So, man, come on, just take a little dip QCOM, little dip. All right, there we go. All right, so QCOM, we have 300 shares. I just put that stop in. APPS, going to go ahead and close this out. And I'm going to put a tight stop in. 97. Look at that spread. Come on, 10 cents. Let's go, dude. All right, so we'll just put our stop at 64. And if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I do need to head out, and I don't know that I'll be able to manage a trade. Oh, nice. In our target, 77. Good deal. 77. So we basically hit the target. 98. Look at that spread just opening up. Why are we hitting the target? Because the spread is moving, not because the ask is moving. Come on. Ask catch up to that sell, that bid. Come on, let's go. One more flush. We got a minute and a half for this candle to close, so we could see a little bit of might back up here a little bit. 73. We're going to come down here, grab that 75. All right, we'll take that. 74. All right. Oh, I was looking at QCOM. I had my chance to move my thing over here on APPS, but I was looking at QCOM. No. Okay, here we go. 79. So we're going to come down to 80. Nope. Look at that spread. Why are you moving around so much? All right. So there we go. So 83. All right. So now we locked in 83. I'm afraid to touch it because it's going to open up, and I'm going to miss my chance for it to back up and get me out. All right, 72. All right, let's move it down to 75, 77. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. Whoa. Why not? All right, there we go. 73. We'll just keep on trailing this down. If I had time to sit here and trade, I would just leave this here right now and wait for the next target and then move my stop around then. But I don't, so I'm going to go ahead and just keep sliding this as it slides. I give it a little room to breathe because this thing is just going crazy. Time is, I need to leave like right now. All right, 68. I'll take that. Which even with the spread, 63. Oh no. Oh, I'm just going to hit flatten. Flatten. Oh, man, missed out on that move. All right, so should have been in the 400 range. All good. So $360 on that super premium with APPS when we're back already in the we were in the scaling ladder back to the $100 per trade. Yes, I know we had some bang up days, brought us all the way back to the $100 per trade. Why do we have a $120 loss here? Let's look at that in the log. Let's see here. Trade monitor. QCOM, something weird today. Either, I mean, I don't, it could be Thinkorswim or it could just be me. Let's see, QCOM 133.76 is what we got out at. 133.76. Oh, wow. So QCOM, our first trade, we did take a pretty big loss on it, 221. Wow. All right, let's go put APPS in the log, and then I'll show you the log real quick. Okay, let's look at the log and look at where we're at today. So $388. Could have did better. QCOM, I took that first loss, was a little big. I don't know what happened there. I wasn't paying attention, I guess, on the share size. But either way, all good. So I end up with a $100 loss in QCOM for the day after you take the two. Got our nice 150 from CVS and our nice 360 from APPS, which should have been a much better win, but I kind of screwed that up a little bit on the exit. All good though. We ended up out at 133.76, and our target, sorry, not 63.86. Our target was 63.77. 10 cents, you know, it's on 300 shares, 400 shares. So, you know, that's $40. We could have had a little extra $40 and been in the $400 range, but all good. So 388 for the day. Chipping away at that loss. Man, it's crazy over here today. Chipping away at that loss that we had yesterday. And yeah, tons of distractions, and I got to get out of here. So, all right, everybody, have a great weekend. If I don't trade tomorrow, I might be able to trade tomorrow. Hopefully I can. I can turn this to a green week, but we'll see. All right, everybody, later.